My dear technician, you're welcome to the part 2 of the video I posted before. This is the part 2, okay? So let me continue. Right here, as you can see, I connect a wire to the positive. Check this out. Okay? Right here, you can see there is a paste. I put paste here because I want you guys to see the proof. There's a capacitor right here. So I want you guys to see the proof. I will connect my battery. So I want you guys to see the proof that is going to melt the paste. My dear technician, if you have question, feel free to let me know in the comment section, please. So let me connect it now. Let me connect it now. My dear technician, just connect it now. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Yeah, you may ask, Father Joe, why is the capacitor not heating up again? Why is the circuit not heating up again? This is because the power of the battery have triggered the capacitor to the point whereby the capacitor forcefully opened the circuit on its own, but the capacitor is still there on the board. So what I will do now, I will remove the capacitor. If not, if I just boot the phone like that, it's going to boot, but later the phone will still have short circuit. So I have to remove the capacitor, okay? Let me read the battery terminal for you guys to see. Now you can see that the circuit is open, so it's not going to heat up again. My dear technician, I have to remove the capacitor. If not, this phone will still have problem later. Okay? So let me do that now. If you have question, like I said, feel free, okay? Feel free, let me know in the comment section. Feel free, let me know in the comment section, okay? Ask me question in the comment section if you have any question. So let me do that now. Let me remove the capacitor. Okay? I will take my time to do it. So let me put the PCB on the PCB stand. Let me take my time to do it. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. So take time and do your customer phone. Take time and do your customer phone, okay? So let me do it now. This capacitor right here is responsible for the short circuit, the one I just put paste on top. My dear technician, feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? Feel free, let me know. Take your time to do this. Do not rush, take your time to do this, okay? Take your time to do this, do not rush. Take time to do this. Check this out, I'll be done. Take time to do this. I'll be done, I'll be done. Take time to do this. If you have questions, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Check this out, I'm done. This is the capacitor. This capacitor was the one shorting. So I have to remove it so that this phone will not be shorting again. I don't want the circuit to short. Check this out. Check this out. If you have question, let me know in the comment section if you have question, okay? Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to read the VBAT I'm reading to confirm. Check this out. Voltage is flowing in now. Okay, so the next thing now is for me to open this other heatsink. Okay, I have to open it. My dear technician, you may ask, Father Joe, why do you want to open the other heatsink? Okay, I want to open so that I will check if there is any physical damage inside. I want to check the capacitors, resistors, diode, and other components to be sure that nothing is wrong with them. It is important, it is recommended for you to do this, yes, so that you can be sure that nothing else is wrong with the phone. Okay? If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section right now if you have question. My dear technician, take your time to do this. Do not rush, take your time to do this. Check this out. I take my time to do my own. So take your time to do this. Do not rush, take your time to do this. Check this out. Please make sure that you put the panel on the PCB stand. Take your time to do this. Do not rush, take your time to do this. Feel free to let me know if you have any question. Feel free to let me know, okay? So let me remove this heatsink. I'm doing now. Check this out. I'm working on it now. I will soon be done. Check this out. Very simple. Very simple. The next thing now is for me to check for capacitors. I'm checking capacitors and I will use my multimeter to test to be sure that none of the small capacitors is breached. Okay, I take my time to do this. This is called troubleshooting. So I take my time to read the diode and the capacitors. I take my time to do this. Please, my dear technician, always take your time to do. My dear technician, I'm testing. I'm testing. I'm testing. I take my time to do this. I take my time to do this. I check it very well. There's no physical damage. Check this out. After taking my time to do this, my dear technician, nothing is wrong. The next thing now is for me to power on the phone to see if it will work. If I connect battery and I power on the phone and it's not working, I will try another method. So let me do it now. My dear technician, check this out. Let me connect the battery. I'm connecting now. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Check this out. I'm working on it. Check this out. My dear technician, I want to read to be sure that voltage flows in. You can see voltage flows in without anything blocking. Check this out. My dear technician, let me connect the battery so that I can turn on the phone. I want you guys to see the proof that it works. Check this out. Let me know if you have any question. Please let me know. Let me know if you have any question. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Feel free, let me know. Okay? Feel free, let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Let me know, please. Check this out. I'll be done. Okay, I'm done. So the next thing now is for me to power on the phone. So let's go. Let me power on the phone. If I power on and it's not working, my dear technician, I will try another method. But before then, let me test to see if voltage flows in. Check this out. We have 4.2. You can see voltage now flows in. Check this out. Voltage now flows in. Okay, so let me boot on the phone. You can see the boot key that we have voltage. 4.2. So let me put on the phone. Check this out, it works. Check this out, it works. My dear technician, it works. Check this out. Check this out, it works. Let me know what you think in the comment section right now. Let me know what you think in the comment section right now. Tell me something. Tell me something in the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comment section. My dear technician, IC reboiling will start this month. Okay, this is February. IC reboiling will start this month ending. So IC reboiling will be available for my training members and also YouTube members. So become a member on my YouTube and also become a member here on my Telegram so that you can enjoy a whole lot of benefits. Okay, it's for phone technicians. If you want to learn phone repair, let me know so that I can add you to a group. My dear technician, the panel is no more getting hot. Check this out. Check this out. It works. The screen touched very well. Everything works perfectly. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. Guys, this is the phone after everything. Okay, so this is the phone. This is me after fixing the phone. Check this out. The owner right now, as I'm talking to you now, the owner is over. Should I just say overjoyed or what? The owner is happy, excited. Seriously, the owner is happy, excited. The owner is excited. Guys, I don't know what to say. Thank you for watching. And okay, before I close this video, let me charge the phone. Let me connect charger for you guys to see. Check this out. The phone is charging. It's charging 98%. My dear technician, there was voltage in this battery. My dear technician, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all. Bye for now.